Hello, everybody. Welcome to Bilisuma Show right here on YouTube.com. According to this article, former Gambia governor Omitu Obama has fled Ethiopia and his whereabouts remain unknown, sources said on Saturday. I don't know if you hear about him, but Omitu disappeared more than a month ago, and he hasn't been seen or heard from. And of course, he was accused of involved in killing Anuak tribe in southwest Ethiopia in 2003, where 424 Anuak were shot and killed in a daylight. And of course, nobody was arrested or charged with crimes for killing 424 Anuak people over there in the southwest Gambia, Ethiopia. Thanks for watching Bilisuma Show. You take care. Bye-bye.